One of the most controversial topics in the natural hair community is if 4C hair has curls. In this video, we are going to solve the mystery once and for all.
Today we're having a guest, a self-proclaimed celebrity. My friend, I'm going to be teaching her how to define her curls, and I want you to be in on it too. Excuse the hair, she's a very pretty girl. Well, we're going to change this all up. Introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm the self-proclaimed celebrity, Adri. Hi guys.
Alright, let's get to business. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. We are using Curl Jam, our natural gel for defining your 4C curls. You can also use it for slick backs, but today we are using it for defining curls. So make sure you are very seriously tuned in. Focus. Her hair has been in a protector for long, Abby. Then she has played with it for some time. So today we are using Aztec clay first of all because we need the hair to be cleansed, like totally cleansed of all its trials and tribulations that it has gone through.
Yeah.
Curls define when the hair is very clean. So that is what we're going to be doing today. She's doing it in downward motions. Remember, you're going to do curl definition. This is how you are supposed to wash your hair normally and to avoid tangling. But more so because you are trying to get your curl definition. And remember, we've gotten it already with the clay. So we don't want to scatter it the hair by messing up the tangles. So we're going to be washing in downward motions. Yeah, exactly. Face this side. This side. Yeah. Okay. As far as you're doing downward motions, you need more. You get.
Okay.
So let your hand be catching everything like this. Do your hair short.
Yep.
Welcome. We are now on part 2, part 3. This is part 3, eh? It feels like a cloud. So do you want a style? If you want a style, this is the time that you do your style. Do you want side part, center part?
Side.
Side. Which side? This side or this side?
Yeah.
Now we need a rat tail comb.
Rat tail.
You like rat tail?
God.
C-cut or straight?
C.
High or low?
Low.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
For your girl. So you will section. You will section. You should do like small thin straight lines. Hold. Let me show you. Like this.
Okay.
Slim lines. Then you fetch some, not too much, and apply. This is what I'm doing.
Yeah, maybe we should just continue.
I'm not continuing. You will learn so that you can do it by yourself. So it's too much. So we're going to add another line. Shoget. Ouch.
Sorry.
Okay. So all you're doing is massaging it until you can't feel your texture again. You feel the smoothness of the gel on your hair. So you see, I merged the two lines, so I'm going to separate them again, so that each can work on its own. Now, after massaging the column, like the line like this, I use my fingers to separate it where it's already separating. You can see it's already separating itself. I take it with my hand. So, make a line. I should have filed my nails. So that's just what you do. That's all. Make sure you massage it well. As you can see, the hair is wet, like there's water. And that water, we're going to trap it in with the gel. You get to do this on dry hair. You can end up with flakes. If you want to do finger coil, you just roll it like this. Ta-da! Or you can use a comb to do it.
Oh,
Should I lift or should I scatter it?
leave it.
Oh yeah, do this one. Then apply. Yep. If it's too much, make sure it goes to everywhere.
Oh,
Until you can't feel your texture again. It feels smooth, like the gel has reached everywhere. Yeah. Put your fingers like as it
put your
is.
finger down if.
So do you feel like the gel has touched everywhere? Smoothing the roots like that. Even inside. Yep. So that the gel can touch everywhere. Then you can now cut a straight line. Use your finger to rake them. They're already separating themselves. Good. You can now draw it. So you can see the curls already. Lovely. If it looks like the gel is not enough, you can add, but don't use too much so that it won't flake. It needs to clump. If it's not clumping, that means the definition is not defined yet. We're back. I bought this from Guess Where? Temu. So we're going to use it. See if it works. We're working with. It's cute, right? So curly. So curly. How does this work? Like this. This thing better work. It's supposed to be at the back. Then I'll do this. Right?
Yep.
Is it too tight?
Nope. Wow. I look like an alien.
Next, I think this should go in here. Go there, post. We're done. Okay, turn. Give them a turn. Oh, look at those juicy curls. Alright, so let's do some finishing touches. Just want you to see it's dry. Then I'm going to use just a little to lay what was I doing? Yep. can swoop this and pin it if she likes, but I think like this is okay for now.
Yep.
She looks cute. It's more gorgeous in person, I promise. I promise. Just look at that. These curls. It's okay. Love it. Love it. It's well dried and all.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is how you define your curls. I hope you enjoyed the class. I hope you enjoyed the class. This is how you define your curls. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It doesn't take much time, unless of course you are learning, but it doesn't take much time. And the drying part is the one that takes the most time anyway. But you can go out with it and it will dry in the air. You can't see it. Can you? It is so juicy. See? Okay, let's stop playing. She has somewhere to be, so say thank you. You want to our celeb. Then this other